Hi guys, today's video is going to discuss how we can actually find cash buyers for our wholesaling or flipping needs. So we're going to go ahead and log in and we're going to search the Baton Rouge, Louisiana area as an example. We see that we have 17,017 cash buyers in this area. That's a lot of people that we can actually use to send out mailers to or to market to in order to sell our wholesale property listings. So we see over to the right that it provides a detail of what particular property was purchased, the address, what the sale price was, when they actually purchased it, what type of property. In this example, we see that this one is a condominium and it's 2 bedrooms and 2 baths, and they purchased it for $1.2 million. Now we can actually filter. That's the good thing about Propstream. You can actually filter the list down. Not only can we find buyers, but we can actually utilize what is called a lead list. This includes different properties that may have actually gone to auction, any bank-owned property, bankruptcy, divorces, failed listings, all of these type of things, even actually flippers. So all of these things that will be actually very beneficial to us whenever we are looking for leads, both buyers and sellers. And so we see that we can utilize the filter. We can actually narrow it down even further by going to the type of bedrooms, bathrooms, whether or not we want residential or commercial properties. So the list just goes on and on of the different types of filters that we can actually utilize in Propstream. In the description, where you can find out further details about the program or software that I'm actually utilizing in order to find my cash buyers. So let's focus a little bit more on the cash buyer side of it. I'm going to choose a couple of the properties in this area so that I can find out a little bit more about a couple of properties. So as we see here, this property gives us the average comps in the area, what we can expect for the monthly rent to be on this particular property on Grand Prix Street in Baton Rouge, a whole host of information. Let's go ahead and just choose the third and fourth one. It gives me an estimated value of each of these properties. And so I'm going to say I want to add them to the list. I want to create a new marketing list. So I can create a new marketing list so that I can market specifically to these cash buyers. So I'm going to name this one Sample List 3, and I'm actually going to save it. And it shows me that I have the 5 properties that I selected saved. And I'm going to come over to my properties to find this list. And I'm going to go to my search area and type in Sample List 3 or sample, and then I can find sample list in my area, and it gives me the street address, it gives me the actual owner's last name and first name. If I scroll to the right, it also provides me with a mailing care of. And one of the things, a side note that I want, it actually not only gives me the first and last name, but it also actually provides the LLC name. So it also provides me the mailing address, the mailing city, and the mailing zip. The property type, it provides me the square footage, the number of bedrooms, the number of baths, and the total assessed value of the property. Now, all I need to do is to download this list or export this list. They will actually do skip tracing for you, and it's 12 cents to skip trace. They can actually mail out postcards for you. Skip tracing allows you to it provides the phone numbers for these individuals so that you don't actually have to Google them yourself. It'll find all of the information that you need.